Hey guys, are you want to buy best automotive primer sprays for smooth finish? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best automotive primer sprays for smooth finish that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Rust-Oleum 260510 Primer Spray. The filler and sandable primer stands out as a reliable solution for anyone looking to restore or prepare wood, metal, or fiberglass surfaces with professional-grade smoothness. This oil-based 2-in-1 formula features a built-in stops rust technology, giving vehicles like cars and trucks a durable, rust-resistant base coat that saves both time and effort. Covering up to 10 square feet, it dries to the touch in just 10 minutes, allowing quick recoating and faster project completion. Its filler properties effectively treat minor surface imperfections, while the sandable finish ensures users can achieve an ultra-smooth, even surface. The high-build formulation further enhances its ability to fill small dents, scratches, and uneven textures, making it especially valuable before applying a top coat. Once sanded, the flat finish promotes exceptional adhesion, helping the final paint layer bond firmly and appear noticeably smoother. Overall, this primer is a dependable, high-performance option for achieving a flawless finish on a variety of surfaces. Now our second product is 3M Professional Grade Spray Resistant. The multi-purpose undercoating is a practical and highly protective solution for anyone looking to enhance the durability and comfort of their vehicle. Designed for cars, trucks, and recreational vehicles, this asphalt-based formula delivers reliable coverage across wheel wells, quarter panels, interior fenders, and even underhood surfaces. One of its standout features is its built-in sound-deadening ability, effectively reducing road noise to create a quieter, more pleasant driving experience. Beyond comfort, it excels in protection. The coating shields the vehicle's undercarriage from rust, corrosion, moisture, and abrasion, common issues that can severely impact longevity if left untreated. The thick, resilient texture forms a tough barrier that holds up well in harsh weather and rough road conditions. Ease of use is another strong advantage. Packaged in a convenient aerosol dispenser, the undercoating sprays on smoothly, allowing both professionals and DIY users to achieve even coverage without specialized tools. Overall, it's a dependable, long-lasting solution for preserving and protecting vital vehicle components. Our third product is Berkland Windshield Primer. The Berkland One-Step Primer is an impressive, value-driven solution for windshield replacement and auto glass preparation. Designed specifically to enhance the adhesion of urethane sealants, it delivers dependable performance across all automotive glass applications, including windshields. The kit includes 2 daubers and gloves, making installation straightforward and user-friendly. Its highly UV-resistant formulation not only protects urethanes from sun damage but also works effectively as a blackout primer, helping reinforce long-term structural integrity. One of its biggest strengths is the quick-dry, single-step design, no activator required. With a fast 10-minute cure time, it allows efficient workflow, ideal for both professionals and skilled DIY users. Beyond glass bonding, it doubles as a corrosion inhibitor for pinch welds and is suitable for priming encapsulated glass, PVC components, and PAAS windshield systems. Backed by in-house testing, the Berkland Primer performs on par with major brands like PN 08681 and 08682, offering reliable quality at a significantly more affordable price. Now number 4, Calvana Windshield Primer. This windshield primer is a highly dependable choice for seamless windshield replacement and glass repair work. Designed to improve the adhesion of urethane adhesives, it ensures a secure bond between automotive glass and sealant. The inclusion of 2 daubers and a pair of gloves makes the application process straightforward, whether for professionals or DIY users. Its strong UV resistance helps protect polyurethane from sun deterioration, while its blackout capability adds an extra layer of durability to the installation. The fast-drying, single-component formula requires no activator and cures in just 10 minutes, making it ideal for time-sensitive repairs. Beyond glass bonding, the primer serves as an effective solution for preventing corrosion on pinch welds and works well on encapsulated glass and PVC components. The kit conveniently includes a primer bottle, nitrile gloves, and long applicator sticks, ensuring precision and ease of use across various repair tasks. For best performance, the product should be used within 6 months of opening. And our last choice is Jenilite Primer Filler Aerosol Paint. This primer and filler delivers reliable performance for anyone seeking a smooth, flawless surface before applying a top coat. Formulated to fill small surface imperfections, it levels dents, scratches, and uneven textures with impressive consistency. Its tough acrylic composition makes it highly versatile, allowing it to bond effectively with metal, wood, and plastic, ideal for automotive projects, model making, and general restoration work. One of its strongest advantages is its fast dry and cure capability. Ready for overcoating in just 24 hours, it works seamlessly with cellulose, acrylic, P/U alkyd, and epoxy top coats, offering users wide compatibility for various finishing needs. Application is simple. Multiple coats can be built up effortlessly to achieve a perfectly smooth, even surface. Made in Britain, this primer reflects solid manufacturing standards and dependable quality. Whether used by hobbyists or professionals, it consistently produces a clean, uniform base that enhances the final finish and ensures long-lasting results across multiple surfaces. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.